Here I have Huawei P9 Lite 2017, and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset operation that device, and let me show you how to bypass and remove pattern, password, fingerprint or other screen lock method on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Choose here power off and touch power off just to switch off the device. Let's wait until your device will be completely switched off, and then let's use the power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up. Keep holding both keys. Let's keep holding both keys until the Huawei recovery mode pops up. Alright, now you can release both keys. As you can see, EMUI recovery mode pops up. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's scroll down to choose Wipe Data Factory Reset and press power button to choose it. To confirm and wipe all user data, let's scroll down to choose Wipe Data Factory Reset and press power key to choose it. As you can see here, we've got the information about Google verification, so after the operation you will need to log into your Google account. If you are aware of this, let's choose Wipe Data Factory Reset again and press power key to confirm it. The phone is performing the hard reset. Let's wait until the operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Alright, as soon as the recovery mode pops up, let's choose here Reboot System Now and press power key to confirm it. Let's wait until the operation will be done. Excellent, as you can see, the welcome panel just pops up. So as you can also observe, there is no pattern or a password, so you can start easily activate your device. So everything went well. Now you can use your device without your screen lock. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.